Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Land Rover Discovery 3 bonnet. First, locate the interior release lever. This is usually found on the passenger side, down in the footwell area, close to the door. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a clear popping sound from the front of your vehicle, indicating the primary latch has released. This is the first crucial step to gaining access under the hood. Once the interior lever is pulled, head to the front of your Land Rover Discovery 3. The bonnet will be slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the bonnet, typically around the center. You'll feel for a small, secondary safety catch. Push or pull this catch, depending on its design, to fully disengage the bonnet's locking mechanism. This step ensures complete release. With both latches released, you can now lift the bonnet completely open. It should swing upwards smoothly. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully unclip it and extend it. Then, insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot or hole on the vehicle's frame. Make sure the bonnet is stable and securely supported before you begin any work. To close the bonnet, first remove the prop rod from its support and clip it back into its storage position. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 10 to 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, give it a firm push down on the center to ensure both latches engage securely. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the simple path to wealth, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.